Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am super excited for today's video. I'm just gonna walk you all through how I ship off my Poshmark items. If you are newer to Poshmark, this might help you learning the process on how to ship. And I just wanted to share a couple of things, and I'm super excited for this video because it is proof that the bundle feature truly helps you make a sale. So right now I'm just going to share with you all exactly what I did. So this morning, today is Wednesday, May 27th, and this morning I got a like on my Madewell dress that I actually got in a mystery reseller box, and it's this size small Madewell dress. It is super cute, and I actually got, so someone liked it this morning. This listing had 4 likes on it, and I shared this item to her bundle. So I made a bundle for her, and I just commented and said, hey there, thank you for stopping by my Poshmark closet. I have sent you a private offer. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you. And then I also commented underneath that, and I said, P.S. I can ship today or tomorrow. And within 1 hour, it might have been 1 hour or 2 hours, I received, or she accepted my offer. So that is proof that commenting to someone and actually showing customer service on Poshmark truly does help. And I also felt like when I wrote, P.S. I can ship today or tomorrow, I feel like everyone loves to have like quick shipping and they want the item right away. So I feel like that was a really good thing that I included, and I'm really glad that I did mention that in my video, I'm glad that I mentioned that in the bundle feature. So I'm super excited to have this sale, but I just wanted to share with you all that this bundle feature and commenting to the customer literally works, and this is proof that it works. She had liked this item like earlier in the morning, and then I didn't get the notification until later, and so it made me realize, like, since I made that comment in the bundle later and then she accepted it, what if I had never wrote that comment and never shared that item to her bundle? Then I have a feeling that maybe she would not have had purchased from me. She could have purchased it from someone else. So I really feel like it worked. So I just wanted to share that in the beginning with you all. I have a lot of other videos on the bundle feature and how it works, so I will link those in the description box, so definitely go watch those after this video if you're trying to figure out what I'm talking about the bundle feature. I have a lot of videos about that. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to walk you through the first step on how I would ship my Poshmark item. So as you all saw when I held this up, it is extremely wrinkly, just because simply the material that it's made out of wrinkles fast, and it's been folded. So I'm just going to take you all over to, okay, so my steamer is in the basement, and I really just don't feel like going through everything and getting it out and then filling the water up. I just sound lazy, but I just don't feel like doing all that right now. So I have an iron literally right next to me. So I'm just gonna iron the dress and get the wrinkles out. By the way, it's 100% viscose. So that is what is causing it to be like wrinkly. But I'm going to iron this right now, get all the wrinkles out, and then we are going to actually print the label out and package it in this box. Now, I want to just let you guys know, I usually have priority mail boxes that are free from the post office. You can get them on their website or at the post office itself. But I have this brown box, so I'm just going to use it. You can reuse boxes, so I'm just going to reuse the one that I have in our house. And then I need to order more boxes because I'm all out of the priority mail boxes. Okay, so let's go iron this dress. has been ironed and has no more wrinkles, I'm just going to simply fold the dress, and I want to do so that it makes it look nice. And then I'm going to I wrap them in this paper. So I use this like tissue paper, and then I just wrap it up and I make it look kind of like a little present. And I do this for Mercari the same exact way, and then when I make my first sale on eBay, I will do the same exact method for my shipping process. I keep it really simple, really easy. I've always done it this way, so I like it. It's effective, and I think that people appreciate the way I pack it. So I'm simply just going to take this and put the dress inside and then just package it up. Now that the item is inside the package, I'm going to go get the label, print it so it's sent to your email address, the one that's connected to Poshmark. So I'm going to go to my printer, hook it up, print out the label, and then I'm simply going to just tape the front of this box. I'm using this packing tape, and just so you guys know, I have all of the items the tools that I use in the description box below. So definitely go check that out, and you can just purchase it through my link. And I do, just so you know, I do receive like a tiny commission, so thank you very much if you do use my link to purchase. But yeah, I just use Scotch tape to just tape the box really well. You want to make sure that it cannot open, so the item inside does not get damaged. That is your responsibility. So I'll package this up, then go get my label and simply just tape it on top. And I just use simply Scotch tape. You can get really anywhere. Again, it's linked in my description box below. And then I just tape on the label on top, and that is it. It is literally that simple. You can include a thank you note inside. I think I am going to do that for this one. I don't always do it, but it is really nice if you have some extra time to just simply put a thank you letter inside, or some people put like business cards or stickers, stuff like that. Okay, so let's go print out my label. Okay, now that my box has the label on this side, I'm not gonna share that obviously with you all, but now that my box has the label on, I can just simply head over to the post office and just drop it off at the front with the clerk, or if you guys have a bin at your post office, you can simply just put this in the bin, or you can actually schedule a pickup with the post office to come pick this up from your house. So if you are a mom and don't wanna leave your house, or if you simply just don't want to leave your house, you don't have to. You can just request for the post office to come pick up your box, and it's as simple as that. I do like just physically going to the post office. If I'm going to go do some other type of errands or something, I'll just drop by, or I'll just make a stop over there. Hey guys, so it is actually the next day, and I am headed to the post office, and I have my box. So I am simply going to just go into the post office, drop this off at the front desk, and then I will be done. You don't have to wait around for a receipt. You don't have to wait around at all. You can just simply drop it off at the front desk and leave your box. Thank you all so much for watching the video. I really hope that you found it helpful for you just to see how I do my shipping and the process from start to finish. I do hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please feel free to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, definitely consider subscribing. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 6 p.m. and I have started reselling on eBay, so I have videos about Poshmark, Mercari, and now eBay as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.